is a 50-50 boy and dad, and a good morning. And I got the breakfast with the egg and paratha, and egg in the top. I'm gonna make a roll with the paratha, and then I gonna try to eat. Let me check. You're gonna be flipping on my side. You can see the paratha is rolled with egg on it. It's easy. You can make it at home. You can put more vegetable and more stuff in the top there too. And paratha is cooked with the oil. And things there. Let's go. I can try, and you're gonna see if I'm gonna try. Let's see. It's so good. You can taste with the egg and flour. And the paratha is always cooked with the olive oil. And you can see here, that's what it look like. That's what it look like. And make it all. Well, thank you for watching. That's why I want to share with you guys. And 50-50 boy is out.